Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to fix loose handles on a variety of different faucets. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So faucet handles, whether it's a kitchen faucet or a bathroom faucet, are held on to the faucet body through some type of mechanical fastener. Some are really obvious, some are completely hidden, and I'm going to show you both today. This is a very common generic Moen kitchen faucet. Tons of these things are sold. You can see that the handle on this thing is really sloppy. I mean, it works fine. It doesn't leak. It's just aggravating. This thing looks like it's gonna come off. So the fastener to hold this thing is a screw underneath this cap. You want to slide the blade of this standard screwdriver underneath the cap. Try to go through the back of the faucet because if you scratch it, it won't be seen from the back. You just slide it under there and the top lifts off. And the cap you can set aside. Now the handle is held on with a small screw right there. See how sloppy that is? It takes an Allen wrench. It's the hex wrench. And I'm going to stick that in there. And by the way, this is how you remove the handle too. Tighten that down. Give it one last snug. And that should be all there is to it. I'm going to put this back together. Have the Moen cap. Fits like so. Much better. It's still got a little play in it, but you know what? It's not an expensive faucet, so I would expect that. Okay, yeah, so this is much better. Easy fix. Here is a Moen kitchen faucet, and this handle here is a little unique, but it's got the access point right there on the very bottom of it. Same deal, tighten it up. Here's a bathroom faucet. Again, kind of a unique handle, but there's the hole to gain access to the screw head right there. Here's another bathroom faucet, and again, the hole is in the very back. This last faucet is unusual because it has no obvious signs where to tighten this faucet. You can see this is really loose. It works, but it's just super sloppy. This other handle is fine. No obvious signs whatsoever. And in this case, the base of this rotates to remove it. And there's a whole bunch of threads. You can see it's lifting off of the base already. By the way, this is how you can change the colors. This knob here, this little baseball bat comes off, and you can change that to like, you know, brushed nickel or whatever you want. But in this case, the handle's loose. There we go, that's off, and there's a screw way down in there. So we're gonna get a long screwdriver. So here's the underside of that faucet. You can see how sloppy this thing is. And there is a screw, there it is right down there. You can see it right there. Got a long screwdriver. Just gonna tighten this up and thread it right back on. Okay, I just tightened that screw. It's much more solid. Now the trick, you've got teeth here, they need to mate with the teeth here. So you need to put the handle where you want it. In other words, if I put it here, it's gonna tighten down there. So I wanna make it at the, what is that, the 9 o'clock. And then tighten that down as soon as the teeth engage. Okay. Works fine, no slop. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.